All right, we begin with a view from our Home of Economy camera. This is in Devils Lake, North Dakota. A great night there, a little bit of a clear sky. And if you look closely, you can see a star in the southern sky. That actually is not a star. That is Jupiter, still visible. And up in the upper left-hand corner from Jupiter, the bright one is Saturn. So still some planets visible, as they have been throughout the past several months here. Again, Jupiter, Saturn right there by the banner. Temperature-wise, still very fair. We have a few high clouds here in the FM area, slowing how fast we cool, along with the winds from the south, helping to keep us milder. We're near 60 degrees still. It's near 60 across most of eastern North Dakota, 62 Sisseton, Devils Lake, where we just viewed, 60 degrees for you. It's 55 in Grand Forks this hour, and we'll drop that off into the low 50s in places like Thief River Falls and in Roseau County, with the cool spot in Badette, south of Lake of the Woods. South winds gusting upwards of 20 miles per hour at times here and there, so it'll be breezy this evening. Again, those breezes and these clouds help to keep us from getting too cold too quickly. The largest chunk of the clouds now shifting off onto the Minnesota side of the Red River, while we focus on this system making landfall now in the Pacific Northwest, bringing snow in areas like the high terrain near Calgary and Edmonton. That system is going to bring big change as we go through the weekend and beyond. But for tonight, get out and enjoy. Breezy still, particularly in the Sisseton Hills. Temperatures in the 50s through 10, and overnight we drop a few more degrees. Some high clouds out there over Minnesota, and temperatures for most areas, as you can see, a snapshot here in the 7 o'clock hour will be in the 40s for most of us to begin our day. A few upper 30s possible up north. Tomorrow, tale of a couple different stories here. Down to the south, it looks like another near record performance from our November atmosphere, as we see northerly and northeasterly flow here in the Northern Valley will keep temperatures there limited considerably. A wide range of temperatures in the afternoon. Warmest from Grand Forks near 70 and points south. We'll see cooler weather along the international border and a mix of clouds to close out your work week. All in all, doesn't look too bad. In Fargo, we start in the mid-40s, ramp it up through the 50s in your afternoon. We'll spend most of the hours from 65 to 70 degrees. We cool off as we head into the evening hours fairly quickly, but we will hover around those 50s for most of your Friday evening plans. Here's a colorful temperature map. 40s and 50s far north. A lot of 60s, and this is again in the 4 o'clock hour. A lot of 60s as we go through your 4 o'clock hour, with 70s confined to the South Dakota counties. And again, our highs this time of the year usually happen around the 3 o'clock hour. Some of us will have a shot at 70-degree weather. Beautiful shot here Mark shared from Fergus Falls. Lovely reflections, and we'll be reflecting on some nice warm weather next week because it's all changing. Let's go to Saturday though. Still mild, 60-degree day. A lot of clouds build in. On Sunday, south winds really pick up, and it's going to warm us, boosting temperatures to the upper 60s in our southern counties. We'll have a chance of late rain showers that by Monday morning, we could see mixing with some snowflakes up in the Devils Lake Basin. All in all, next week, we do not get out of the 30s, the way things are looking now, Mike. So get out and enjoy all the way through the weekend. It looks temperature-wise wonderful.
We'll have to. Thanks.